So I'm going to use this video to describe the mechanics behind this a little bit more in depth. I'm also going to go over the ears a little bit, so if you're interested, stick around. So we're going to go over the anatomy of this so I can help describe this a little bit better. This is the nose portion, and this is attached to the lips, alright? So this part, not attached to the mask base, it's only attached to the lips, and it swings freely. There's a nice gap here, there's a gap here at the top, so it has some space to be able to swing past everything, alright? Now this part, this is a screw that is attached not only to the lips, but it's also attached to the base, so it's keeping these two pieces together, alright? This piece swings freely from the base itself, so this is not at all attached to this top port, but the bottom of this plastic piece is attached to the lower jaw. There's a little screw that runs through the lip and this plastic piece and holds these two together. Alright, and that's the hinge here. I have a little piece of plastic on this side, and this is attached to the mask base. This just helps kind of let the screws slide back and forth because it will catch. If you want, you can add a hole here so that helps keep it from catching on itself. But whenever I open the lower jaw, this pulls on the back portion of this and it lifts this up. So that's where you get the snarl effect here, while this is the hinge that it swings on. So it's like a seesaw, where here is the part where it's attached, and there's like, think of it like somebody who's really small and light sitting on this end, and then somebody who is a lot heavier sitting on this end and pushing and pulling it up. So this sits and it's not attached to anything. This end is attached to everything, and it goes up and down like that. Now for the ears, depending on where you put your wire or whatever you're going to use to help push and move the ears, if I put this wire farther back here, the ears would be laying down a lot more, but I wanted them to be more erect, and also gives them more of a dramatic effect whenever the snarl happens. But what you want to do is you want to attach a screw, and this screw will run through the ears and into the base, and then the wire is only attached to the ear, not attached to the base itself. And I ran the wire down all the way to here, and this attaches to the back of the lips, and it's only attached to the lips, it's not attached to anything else. So whenever I open this mouth, the hinge pulls down on there and it pulls those up. So it's similar seesaw kind of effect, except the hinge that's like right here is up a lot closer, and this is the main drive for that mechanic. I put this piece of cardboard here, I have it on both sides, and this will help keep the wire from bending and wanting to like not go where it's supposed to go, so it helps feed it a lot better. But there you go. For the jaw portion, I've discussed this in like my other cardboard videos, but this is literally just two pieces of plastic, one piece on the bottom, one piece on the top, and a hole ran through both of them, and then I put a screw through it, so then it's got a nice hinge effect. I will be adding a piece of elastic that'll run through here, and that'll help bring it up without me having to use my jaws to open it and close it. Now some people were asking about if they could make it snarl or open the mouth without snarling it directly, and you can. You just have to make the lip jaw a different shape, where you make the back portion of it right after the screw hitch go up and back, so that whenever you open it, you can still open it like normal, like this, but whenever you open it at a full length, it will make the snarl effect. So I hope that helps. I hope that gives you guys a better idea. If you need more, there's other videos that I have posted that you can go check those out, and it'll give you other detailed stuff, so check those out. But I want to thank you guys for enjoying this. I hope that I can continue on. This is not finished yet, obviously. I'm gonna be adding more to it, so stick around for that whenever I finally get into that. So thank you guys again.